Okay. Next, who will read? Next boy. Please read 61. Who is next in the line? Karthikeyan, please read.
Yes, sir. So what are the special mention accounts? Special mention accounts are those that show signs of poor asset quality within the first 90 days of their existence or prior to being labeled as an NPA.
See,
Six,
you all know only about NPA. NPA means an account where the installment or the interest due has not been repaid for a period of 90 days from the due date. That only you know. But slowly another concept has come known as special mention accounts. An account where the due has not come for 1 to 30 days, it is known as SMA 0, where in an account the loan is due from 31 to 60 days, it is called as SMA 1, where it is due for 61 to 90 days, it is known as SMA 2. These are known as special mention accounts. Why such a classification was done? It will all be done by computer. People are not doing it. It will be done by computer. And once that is done, a list will be generated to the loans officer, and the loans officer can take it up and proceed for recovery. He can contact the borrower in person or through phone or issue letter or issue lawyer notice like that. That is why special mention accounts have come. Continue. Number 62.
yes, sir. What is legal entity identifier? It is a 20-character alphanumeric identifier used to identify parties to financial transactions in all countries.
That is,
Okay.
normally it is given for companies. Continue.
Okay.
63.
What is an escrow account? An escrow account is a third-party account where money is held before it is transferred to the ultimate party.
Okay. Continue. What is 64?
Yeah, it is. What is a gilt account? A gilt account is a holding account for government securities, opened and managed by a person or an entity with the company permitted by RBI.
Okay. 65.
What is the maximum compensation amount provided by banking ombudsman for banks if the readdressal is not resolved? Rupees 20 lakhs is the maximum compensation amount.
In the last, on November 30, IBPSPO exam, they have asked what is
Yes,
the
sir.
harassment amount given, mental harassment, 1 lakh.
1 lakh, sir.
Yeah, 1 lakh is the
Attempted, sir.
harassment. Yeah,
Nice shift, sir.
very good. Excellent. 66.
Okay. How many public sector banks are operating in India at present? There are 12 public sector banks are operating in India.
Continue.
What is the yeah? What is the minimum support price? It is the minimum price that the government has established for a particular agricultural goods.
Farmers' sons, they must know about what is minimum support price. Who is agriculture minister in your state and in the country? Why farmers are fighting for agricultural minimum support price? And what are the problems faced by farmers? And what are the suggestions you want to give to solve their problems? What are the schemes given by loans given by banks for farmers like Kisan credit card, then agricultural term loans, then agricultural allied activities like this. Okay, all these questions farmer sons must know. 68.
Yeah. What is Monetary Policy Committee? The Reserve Bank of India established the Monetary Policy Committee to set the benchmark policy interest rate.
Then our next meeting is going to take place in December first week. Acha, now only, maybe 8th or so.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Eh?
tomorrow I think so.
Tomorrow.
No,
Acha, are you sure? 1 minute.
I think
India, RBI, monitor. I think because inflation is very high, they want to meet
Yes, sir.
early, perhaps. Normally, they meet on 7th or 8th. The RBI
Upper
Monetary
tolerance level
Policy
that.
Committee, December 24. Oh, RBI policy
six.
on December 6, Baba. Only
Okay.
December 6. Hello? Acha, acha, 4 to 6. Monetary Policy Committee
Somehow
is,
happened to
yeah. Monetary Policy Committee is set to meet from 4th to 6th. Good. Who is the governor?
oh, so it will
Shaktikanta
happen for
Das.
3 days.
Yeah,
Mr. Sri Shaktikan Das.
4 to 6. RBI is expected to keep the repo rate unchanged, though
Yes, sir.
the inflation in the month of November was 6.20.
2-1. 2-1, sir.
Was it November or October? I think October. In the
October,
month
sir.
of
6.21.
6.21 was the October. November inflation rate we will see. India November inflation rate announced. November, India's retail inflation jumped to 14-month high, 6.21 in November from 5.5% in August 2024. Okay, I
Sir, this
am
is
giving
November 13 podcast.
November in between. They are
Yes.
telling between. I mean, in the middle of the month, they told like this. I am giving a link in our newspaper group. Okay,
Okay,
boys,
sir.
I have given you in newspaper 2 group. You can see from there. Good. Now, what are we doing? We are reading this one. We are reading 1 minute. We are reading this one. Next question, 69. Please read.
One second, it's still not. Oh, yeah. What is the minimum denomination of the treasury bills issued by Government of India? T-bills are available for minimum amount of 25,000 and in multiples of 25,000.
This limit was fixed some 20, 30 years ago when 25,000 was a big sum. Nowadays, 25,000 is nothing. 25,000 is nothing. So, the salary of a clerk in 1969 when I joined was 330 rupees. What is the salary now offered in banks for clerks? I
40,000,
think
sir.
40,000.
40, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
40,000. Same way, our yesterday one advertisement has come. New India Assurance, they have also told for
40K.
clerk's salary is 40,000 plus. Very good. Please read 70.
Yes, sir. What is micro ATM? Micro ATMs are card-swipe machines through which banks can remotely connect to their core banking system.
Yeah, it's very good thing, The